Today in this video I am going to show you how you can make unique poster design in Canva. First, upload your image and position it. Now go to the edit image, go to effect, select duotone. Now you can choose any of color, like I am going to choose this one. Now go back to elements, again upload the image, edit image, remove background. Now go to the adjust, decrease the saturation, scroll down and increase the clarity. After that, go to the effect, select shadow and choose outline. Go to the color and choose white color. Decrease the size. And this is our unique poster design. So this is how you can make unique poster design in Canva. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.